Welcome to March. No, take that back. April 1st. Spring, but April Fool's Day, everybody. It's snowing and it's cold. 27 degrees. Nice and perfect. I shouldn't get hot today riding. I'm on the DT and my tank air breather hose is weird. Get back in there. On the DT finally. Yeah, this thing had a leak in the old gas tank. I had to resource one on eBay. Got that back into shape. It was a little rusty, cleaned it out with a product called Metal Rescue, a water-based cleaner, and it performed flawlessly. Very nice. I recommend it. Goggles fogged over. Listen. You hear that? What's this? Check this out. Another two-stroke approaches. Oh, well, hello. It's Steiger on the CR250R 1995. Yeah. So I'm just going to see if I can follow him around. Nope. A lot of snot coming out of my face. Oh, DT, you're taking these jumps so awesome. Oh yeah! Oh, baby.
Hey, there's
Yeah.
something here.
Yeah, there's that part to do yet. And got him. The return of the thorn bushes. Woo! We're just working this path. Trying to bring him back around. Ah, yeah. I ate on that one. Back across the creek. Oh, this drop off, you gotta be careful. Oh boy. Yep. Wasn't ready for that log, but oh well. Yeah, that was awesome. That is a good day right there, folks. Woo! I'd say that thing's running all right.